What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rishi, aka the Jump Rope Coach, coming to you from a cold, windy, and kind of noisy with birds and everything else, London as usual. But I want to kind of roll this uncut video, guys. No edits. I'm probably going to fluff my lines. I'm probably going to trip on the rope. But I did one of these last year and I really enjoyed it. And I promised you guys in 2019 more workouts and to show you how I trained with this bad boy. And guys, we're going to keep it really simple. Don't want to make it complicated. I want to show you how easy it is to build a workout. I'm going to show you a 10-minute workout, really high intensity workout that's going to really take your heart rate through the roof, guys, and get you melting fat in minutes. And that's what we're all about, guys, to get you to do the best techniques, to show you the most advanced drills and skills, obviously to keep jump rope really interesting, keep your cardio interesting, and just keep you in the best shape of your life. So we're going to get straight into it. What I want to show you, I'm probably going to show you a little split screen, is I want you guys to download an app called the Interval Timer. It's really easy to kind of build a workout, to get the minutes and seconds and everything else down in place. You get a little bell. You've probably seen them on different videos, but we're going to roll that. And yeah, it's going to be a 10-minute workout. Follow along. I'm going to show you the kind of moves before we get into the kind of drill or the move, so that you guys know what's coming up next. And yeah, just enjoy it, guys. Leave me your feedback down below. I'm going to keep this camera rolling. Hopefully no technical problems. And yeah, we're going to get straight into it. One last thing, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Get learning how to use this, the most simplistic piece of gym equipment in the world, but it's going to be the one thing that keeps you feeling incredible throughout your life, guys. This is the Rush Athletic Speed Rope, also known as the Money Rope, and it is the most in-demand speed rope on the planet. So make sure you head down to my website, cop it. You've got discount codes down below as well. Get started on your incredible fitness journey with us. Right, okay, let's get straight into it. I'm going to set my timer. Let me find it. I did have it just now. All right, so here it is. We're going to do a 30-second warm-up. We're going to have the bell rolling, and I'm going to basically keep some kind of things on the screen, some like kind of prompts and signs and letters and all this kind of stuff that you guys can follow along and kind of help you to know what's going on. There's the bell. That's 30 seconds warm-up. This is what we're going to do, guys. For warm-up with the rope, I always do this. I always get the rope in one hand, and we're just going to do one-arm swings. Real simple. Just hop in, boxer step, double step, split jumps like this, side straddle. You can mix it up. Nice way to get your body loose and ready for action. Right, 20 seconds on. What we're going to do is just a simple run step. Here we go. Up the pace there, guys. 20 seconds. Make sure your breathing's good. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Right, here we go. This is now 20 seconds, kind of lightweight skipping. You can use the boxer step, or you can use double bounce if you're a beginner. But this is just to get your heart rate settled. We're going to get ready for the next 20 seconds, which is going to be crossovers. So crossovers, you can do it boxer step, run step, double bounce if you're a beginner. Like I said, if you trip up, it's all good. Double bounce if you're a beginner. I like to do crossovers with a run. Nice and easy. And we're back to our chilled step. And this step here, the boxer step, for me is my chill step. You might like the legs coming out here. We're going to get into a fast run now. We go again, fast run now. Really drive the knees up. Stay on the balls of your feet. Back to the chill step. Really intense, feeling the burn now, guys. Breathing is so important here. Right, next 20 seconds we're going to do side swings with a twist. Use the twist to work those obliques. Then we're going to take our first 20-second rest. Here we go, 20-second rest. I'm going to check the timer. Whew. tough, guys. I'm probably gonna stop talking a bit because it's just super tight to talk. Right, here we go. Double unders if you're advanced for 20 seconds. If you're a beginner, try this. You're just basically jumping higher and slowing the rope down. So you're jumping like you're doing a double. Okay, back to chilling step. That was tough. Back to run skip. This is the one move you guys need to know. If you're a beginner, get to running. Learn the run skip first before any tricks. High fat burning move, this one. And then back to your chilling step. Just checking the timer. We're going to have another 20-second rest after this. Okay, 20-second rest. Doing well, guys, doing well. Keep that breathing good. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Whew. Tiring. We're going to do crisscross legs now. Up the pace. This may seem easy, this one, but the coordination and mental focus required is what's going to burn the fat. Keep that heart rate up. Whew. Little chill here. Nice and easy. Next move, we're going to do side swings with hops. If you find this too difficult, you're just going to, again, twist with that side swings. Oh, back to your chill step. Struggling here now. Keep up, guys, keep up. It's not gonna be easy. Remember, it's only 10 minutes. 10 minutes of your day. We're gonna do high knees after this. Here we go. I'll do about 6 on each side. Whew. Tripping up. Getting tired. Getting really tired. Let's go, Rush, come on. Legs are absolutely dying. And then a break. We are close. This is tough, guys. This is seriously tough. Okay. Back to run skip. Here we go. Try not to watch the time for too long, just keep going until you hear the bells. Here we go. Back to chilled. We're nearly there. Gonna go into crossovers, box step. Get the wrist turning. Chest out. Whew. And then another break. 20-second break. This This is tough. This is super tough. Okay. We're going into 20 seconds doubles. And another break. So the last few rounds, I want you to go as hard as you can. You're going to take a break for the last 3 sets of the 20 seconds. Or last 4 sets. I'm mistiming this. What do I want to talk about? Okay. Back into double unders for 20 seconds. Remember, if you can't do double unders, you're just gonna slow the rope down, jump higher, stand the balls of your feet. Another break. Oh, last set coming up. This is solid. Legs are absolutely on fire right now. Let's go. Keep pushing to the end. Run, skip. Gotta go hard. Driving those knees up. Come on. Really use my forearms and wrist to get the rope round. Okay, this is the last set. 20 seconds of chill boxing step. Five seconds. Oh. I'm tired. Alright, I'm gonna go for another 10 seconds hard, finish it off. Here we go. That is the timer done. When I did this last time, outro, it got kind of long. I was out of breath. But I'm going to try and go through it anyway. That's a typical way of how I build my workouts. You don't have to follow it the same way. But what I try to do there is mix in different types of moves, crossovers, double unders, side swings, everything to help you get even better with your skills, your techniques. But at the same time get a real good burn. The footwork drills, the high knees. This is a total body workout, guys. There's no other cardio on the planet that get your heart rate. I wish I could just put my heart on the camera. You can feel it beating. I've just got the new RA watch concept as well. And I'm gonna probably test soon when I get back in what my heart rate is to let you know. I don't want to talk about, I'll probably have to cut this now. Listen guys, if you like what you saw, comment down below. Let me know how you guys skip, how you guys do your workouts, how you build your combinations. Quick 10-minute workout, a little bit of a warm up and your day is done. I would imagine I've probably burnt, I would say at least 200 to 300 calories potentially there. Remember, 10 minutes of skipping is equivalent to a 30-minute brisk jog, or equivalent to an 8-minute mile, which is rapid. I hate running, but I can never do that. My BPM right now is through the roof, 130, and yeah, I'm proud of that. A lot more workouts to come, I promise you, 2019 guys. Hope you follow along. It's a little bit of a longer video, obviously, uncut, just follow along, and I assure you, you'll get into the best shape of your life this year. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a big like if you like what you saw, and let me know down below what you want to see going forward, what tutorials, what other types of workouts. We're bringing up the heavy rope as well, the beast legacy rope. I'll do more of these. Guys, without further ado, I'm dead. So I'll see you in that next video. Take care of yourself. Let's get the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.